Hey guys, we're in a watermelon kind of mood over here at the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club. If you haven't had a chance, take a peek at watermelon pizza and the watermelon mint salad. It's light and refreshing. But today we're going to cool things down with a watermelon slushie. So I've already gone ahead and I've diced 3 cups of watermelon. Now if you have young children, make sure to grab a plastic knife. Simply have this all sliced up, then they can separate it from the rind and dice up the pieces and measure it for our recipe. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that into the blender. We already have 4 cups of ice in here. Now, I'm simply going to extract the juice from the lemons. You can do it by hand, guys, like this. And if you do it by hand, you want to make sure that you take the seeds out with a spoon. Now that we have all our juice and we've gotten rid of the seeds, I'm going to add that into the blender too. I'm going to follow it with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and a half a cup of honey. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Ready to put the cover on and blend it up. All right, guys, now it's ready to pour. Now I have one for me and one for a friend. This is light, refreshing, and a super easy cool down recipe.